So we are in our ninth topic, x plus y whole power of n plus x minus y whole power of n. If this we calculate, then our value will be like 2 of all the, if it is plus, if it is plus sign, then all the even numbers you will be getting. NCO x power of n y power of 0, then NC2 x power of n minus 2 and y power of 2. So all even terms you are going to get it. If it is minus in the middle, then all the odd terms, 1 NC1, NC3, NC5. So you know how to do it and all. So this is the both which are very important, and some special cases. Suppose C, yeah, the same thing, which in place of n I am going to write it as a 4, and here if we calculate, 2 will be the common, and 4C0 x power of 4 plus xc2 or 4c2 x square y square. So because 4 minus 2 is 2, so this is the term if it is 4, and if this will be the 5. So 5 you got as this, because the plus we got it even terms here. Here also plus, so we got it even terms 0, 2, 4, 6. Okay, then so note some, here is a note, the number of the terms in the expansion of, like this expansion, number of the terms, like here is 4, so we got it 3 terms, and 5 is also we got it at 3 terms, and if it is 6 we got it as 4 terms. So we should know what pattern it is going for the number of terms. Okay, so here if the number of terms in the expansion of x plus a power of n plus x minus a power of n is, here n is, see if n is even, okay, if n is even, n plus 2 by 2 you are going to get. If n is even, n plus 2 by 2. So here is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2 is 3 times, 1, 2, 3, right? If here also 6 plus 2 is 8 by 2, so you got a 4 terms, 8 by 2 is 4. And then next, if it is odd, okay, if n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2, okay. So if it is even, n plus 2 by 2, if it is odd, n plus 1 by 2. So here is an odd number, plus 1 by 2 if you have to do it. So 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2. If we cancel 3 terms is here, right? We got it in the same way. And here this all of plus terms, this all of plus, right? If it is minus, then what is our things we are going to get here? If it is minus, n is, if it is minus, if n is even, then n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here n plus 1 by 2 we used when it is a plus, number is odd, then n plus 1 by 2 we did it. If it is minus, then n is even, then we need to use n plus 1 by 2. If it is even, n plus, if n is even, or I didn't write it here, actually if n is, here something has rubbed, so I'll tell you, here it is, and we are going to get n by 2, okay. If n is even, minus, then n by 2, and then n is odd, then n plus 1 by 2, okay. So we'll do some problems based on this, then it will be very clear. Okay, we'll continue. So here we are in a topic, ninth topic, questions. So we have 3 questions based on this ninth topic. So first question is the number of non-zero terms in the expansion. So we discussed, if it is minus, its number of terms is based on the, here a plus or minus, and the order even, right? So we discussed in the first note, like before in the note, if it is a plus, if the sign is plus in the middle, and if it is odd number, then what we are going to do? If it is odd number, then what we will do it? n plus 1 by 2 we are going to do it, right? If it is odd, if it is plus, but here is minus, I'm just telling. If it is plus sign, n plus 1 by 2. If it is, in the plus only, if it is even, then n plus 2 by 2, we will find it, right? If it is plus. So if it is a minus in the sign, Then what we are going to do it odd is n plus 1 by 2. Same thing. If it is even, n by 2 we will do it. Okay. This we need to remember. Then we'll go to the question. First question. It's so less space I have given. Just they are asking the number of the terms in this expansion. Here is a minus and odd number of n is odd. So n is equals to odd and minus sign in the middle. So what is your, how many terms over here? 75 plus 1 by 2, right? 75 plus 1 by 2. How much it is? 76 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 eights. So it is 38. Okay, 38 of it. Then next second question. Evaluate this one. So here it's not just finding the terms and all. Here we have to calculate it. Okay. So how to calculate here? It is 4. So sign is minus. Minus sign and even number. Then what you are going to do? How many terms you are going to get? In this case, n by 2 means 4 by 2. 2 ones. Only 2 terms we are going to get it. And so if it is minus, then we will get all the odd terms, right? If it is plus, here is no plus. Plus means all even terms we get. But if it is minus, then all the odd terms we are going to get. Okay. So, what is the answer of this? 4C, 1 odd terms, 2 of 4C, 1, then into root 3, 4 minus 1 into root 2, 1 plus. For all plus terms only, because minus minus already have cancelled. This is odd. Root 3 whole power of 4 minus 3 root 2 whole power of 3. Like this you got it. And now we need to evaluate. We need to calculate. 4C1 is 4. Then this is root 3 power of 3 and root 2 plus this is 4 only we are going to get from the last. 4C1 is 4C4 is 1 and 4C3 from the last to the second is 4, and then here it is root 3 whole power of 1 and root 2 whole power of 3. Okay, so what I can write it here, 4 can I bring it out, and here with 1 by 2 it is here, so I can write 1 3 out and 1 root 2 root 3 root 6 I can write it here. Also 4 has gone out, and in this 2 I can write it out, and root 6 is left over. Then 2 4s are 8, and this if I add it 5 root 6, then if I multiply 40 root 6 is your answer. Okay, so that's done. Then we'll do the next question now. So in this question, the sum of the coefficients of all even degree terms of x in the expansion. So here it is, however, the plus sign. So we will be getting even terms, but they are asking the degree should be an even. So we may not expect. So we need to calculate and we need to check it out which one is even and which one is not an even. Okay, so we will do the problem here. So 6, what you going to write? 6C even 0. Then what is the next? X power of 6 plus, then 6C2 even, all evens. So x power of 4 x square minus 1 whole square, and here 1 by 2, right? Root is here, so it will get cancelled. 1 by 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So as it is, you're going to get plus 6C4. Here is x power of 2. Then in this x cube minus 1 4 by 2, it is 2. Then plus 6C6, x square will go off. Then x cube of minus 1 whole power of 6 by 2. So it is 3. This is your expansion part. Okay. So now we have to take it only the even number of x power should be even. Okay, its degree should be even. So this is degree. So 6c 0, I'll take it. Now this into this, base are equal, powers will be added. 4 plus 3 will become a 7. So we will not take it this part. Then we will go to this one. So 4, however, cancel, this is 1, it became. So x power 4 into 1. X power 4 means even. So even into this part. So I'm going to take that one. Then here power of, here I need to extend square and cube. So I'll extend those things here. 64 x square x cube means 6 minus 2 into x cube plus is it a plus square, right? Yeah, it's plus 1. Okay, plus 6c6, here is cube. So x cube means cube, already cube, it is 9. 9, then 1 cube. Next is minus 3x square means 6 square into 3 6 into 1 plus 3x cube 1. So now we'll take again. So here if I write it same thing, 6c0 x power of 6 plus 6c2 x power of 4 of x cube minus 1. So I'm going to get 6c0 plus this is also 6c2 plus here is x square into this 2 6 is 12. So even. So I'll write it one more. Yeah, 2 3s are, sorry, it's not multiplying, it's adding. 6 plus 2 is 8. So even the even. 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's an odd. So here into this is x power of, so I can write it as 6c4 plus next one is here. Next, here is power is odd. This is however its number. Yeah, when 1 power of 3 is x power of 0, we can write it. So it'll becomes an even number. Then I'll write 6c6. Then this is even minus 3 into 6c6. Wherever you get a minus sign, you need to write it minus sign. This is minus sign here. So remaining all plus, the last one is minus. Yes. So now we have to calculate, this is 1 minus this is how much, 15, right? Then 6, this is 1 minus 3, then this is also 1 plus, then this will become what, this both will be how much, 6 5 4 3 by 1 2 3 4 2 ones 2 3s 15. So that is also 15. Then this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. This 1 and this is 6. Yeah, this is 15. Yes, 2 and 4 is 15. So this is also 15. 15 plus this is also 15 and this is 1. Yes, plus 1 minus 3. So here this 15 gets cancelled and this is 16 minus 3 is 13. 13 plus 1 14. Is it correct answer? But here it is, 1 second, minus we missed. This is minus, right? This sign is minus, so here it is a minus. This is minus. Then how much it will become? This will become a 4 and 11. 11 plus 1 12. But we are not writing from the starting 2 in the brackets. After cancellations, we get 2 for all, right? So 2 into this is 2 into this. Okay, so we're done with the topic 9, ninth topic, and we'll go in 10th topic in the next video.